Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you might have guessed, we're having a blizzard today. And so I figured I'd take a look because it's been a while since I've checked and see how things are out there. So, whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Whew, boy. And it is still snowing, I think. Ooh, door froze. Right there, Lainey's gonna get a kick out of that. Wow. Mom's car is covered. Absolutely covered. Wow. I'm gonna check out the back door. That is Memoirs of a Geisha I'm listening to while actually watching the 2007 European Championships. I know that was a while ago, but I like the performance of Carolina Kostner of Italy. Oh my god! Whoa! That is a lot more snow out there than it was earlier. Those of you who have seen my Facebook pictures and who have seen the previous video know exactly what I'm talking about. Holy cow. I'd say we got quite a bit of snow. Hey, I love snow, and well, part of the reason is I don't have to drive in it.
South count, 3 turns.
Lovely Carolina. My computer room, I forgot to point it out to you earlier. I used to be a big hockey fan. Still enjoy following the career of the Penguins, and still respect Mario Lemieux. Le Magnifique. He's one of the great role models I have. That is, of course, all my movies there, and those aren't all of them. I have plenty more. Those are completely out of order, too. There's some down there, etc., etc. Now here's the coup de grace here. All of these tapes are skating. Figure skating. It's quite a lot. I've been taping annually for, oh gosh, how long has it been? 15 years. So, currently I am on the computer. Yeah, that's about it, really. That's all I wanted to say. Talking to my friend Lainey. Fun. Very fun. Okay, something's happening now that's weird. Okay. Other than that, where's my kitty cat? My kitty's always hiding under the bed, except when she knows that I'm not watching. Yet she loves to snuggle, so. Oh well. I'll get her on film eventually.